Yeah, hi viewers. Yeah, this video I'm going to try and get this Philips Prismatic lamp working again. This is one I received in the mail that was damaged by the good old postal workers. Someone must have rough handled the box and broke it. So it's a vintage 1980s SL lamp, and they use a magnetic ballast, this part here, and a curved tube, 25 watts, and down in the base in here would be the starter unit. And the lamps are beautifully made, got a nice glass outer envelope. This one, as you can see, is broken. So what I'm going to try and do is adapt this tube in it. It's an 18 watt tube, but it should be okay. It'll be running on 25 watts, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll start by unsoldering the base cap connections. Well, there's the starter, one of those glow bottle starters. And the connections for the tubes. I'm just going to solder up a test lead to this lamp, and we'll just see if it actually works. Okay, we'll see if this lamp comes back to life. There we go. Working again. Oh, what needs to be done now is put the lamp base back on and try and secure the rest of it. Okay, here it is, finished off. I'll secure the other tube with a cable tie, holding on pretty well, and all the connections. So it's just a matter of testing it out. Beautiful. Yeah, I decided I'll use this above the workbench, just using the old light shade I've got here. It's an old Curlicon. No, it works a treat. So I might as well leave it there. Well, thanks for watching, folks, and catch you next time.